capable and National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Cedar County, west central Clinton County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Bennett, or 8 miles east of Tipton, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Loudon around 12:55 p.m., Toronto around 1:05 p.m., Lost Nation around 1:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Walnut Grove Park and Massillon Park. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Cedar and Clinton,